Hello everyone, in this video we will walk you through the front end and the back end of our product, Retello. On your screen, you can see what your personalized website will look like. You have an option to customize the domain name as your shop name. The Google map at the bottom of the homepage will lead a user to your offline store. The logo of your store will be displayed in the top left corner of the screen. Website users can select the product from the drop-down menu or the search bar. Upon selection, the desired product will be added to the cart. To complete the order, user will be required to sign in. A 6-digit end-to-end encrypted OTP will be sent to the user's mobile. Upon verification, the user will enter their shipping address. They can select their preferred mode of payment as cash on delivery, net banking or any other e-wallet. Now, let's have a look at the back end of our product. One can manage their account by using the unique login credentials provided to the retailer. The dashboard of your account will graphically display the trajectory of your sales, pending orders and other details. In order management, you can view the entire database of orders placed on your portal. Here, we can see the order placed by us in the former half of the video. The retailer can view the details of the order and confirm the same thereafter. The retailer can also cancel or change the status of the order. In Manage Products menu, the retailer can manage the pricing and inventory of the products listed on their website. Using Edit Shop menu, the retailer can easily modify the name, address, social media handles, and logo of the company. The changes made here will be automatically reflected on their respective web portal. You may find a link to our demo portal in the description box below. Thank you for watching.